Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Email It. It is your email sending API. It says that it is no subscription email sending API for developers. However, it is not only for developers. I think it is a bit misleading here because it is really easy to integrate, even if you are not a developer. I've built this simple two-step workflow and was able to send emails using Email It. I use ActivePC's automation software that I got for myself on AppSumo, but it can be done in tools like Zapier or Make. Just an example. Two-step. The first one is acting on when a row in a spreadsheet, like this one, is added or updated. And the second one is actually sending email using SMTP automation block. That's it. So this platform, this tool is not targeted only to developers. It has broader use. So it is actually a kind of competitor to SendGrid, if you know this tool, or Mailgun. Those are popular tools in this domain of sending emails. These tools provide API for sending emails, and this is a table with rough cost estimates. So for 50,000 emails monthly, for Mailgun you will pay $35, and for SendGrid close to $90 monthly, depending on the plan. And with Email It, you pay just once, $59 as a lifetime deal, and you get 50,000 email credits. And if we take a look at the credit system, they even have a free account, so you can try the tool with 1,000 email credits. I think that is pretty generous, and I am a fan of tools which provide trial plan, which allows to explore the tool to its full potential. So yeah, basically with this tool, you will be able to send emails using SMTP protocol or through REST API. I will show you how in a moment. So it is kind of alternative to tools like Akumba Mail. So you still can do automations with Email It using tools like Zapier or ActivePCs. So you can automate your flows using those tools with Email It. You can send nicely looking emails using drag and drop email builder. We'll see that as well. You can build your audiences and make segments of your audiences, and you can monitor statistics of sending emails. Yeah, and before we start, I actually like how the landing page of this tool looks like. Well, landing page is not a functionality, however, I like the attention to the details, and usually when the developers care about the design, the ease of use, it is a good chance that the tool will perform well. So yeah, let's proceed to the tool itself. It is pretty simplistic. There are not a lot of over-complicated features, but it provides all you need to send emails. First of all, audiences. You can add subscribers to your audiences, and it can be, for example, paid subscribers. You can send your email campaigns to users who pay you for some services. There can be trial users, whatever you need. You can do segmentation of your contacts. You can add actually contacts, and as of now, you can import those through CSV files or add those manually. And actually, I have reached out to them in their Discord asking if they will be providing the ability to collect contacts or leads through some kind of form or API. And I saw replies that they're going to update campaigns and audiences in November this year. So probably that feature will be added. It would be really nice. So at the moment, you can import your contacts using CSV files in bulk or adding contacts manually. And at the moment, I see this email, first name and last name fields are present. So you can refer those fields in your email templates. So what else do we have? You can create campaigns and you can send branded emails. And actually, let's take a look at this new one. You can define subject, reply to, audiences, and you can specify your own domain. So this address, sales, can be anything like support or anything you need when you connect your own domain. I will show that in a moment. Let's open the editor and we can see that we have an option to choose templates. It would be nice if we had ability to upload our own. At the moment, we have option to choose from predefined ones, or we can create our own email from scratch or update existing template. And basically, you can update any elements as you need. You can drag and drop particular parts of the email. So pretty powerful visual builder for the email campaigns. And if we select a particular text, we can see merge fields. So we can see that there is ability to use email, first name and last name from your contacts inside the email. So yeah, that's how you create your branded campaign. And at the moment, you can define from address, but reply to needs to be real address which can receive emails. So just to give you an example, this is the flow I have built in Active Pieces. As I mentioned before, when a row is updated in Google Sheet, then email will be sent. And I refer fields from Google Sheet. So in this instance, email to will be sent to these addresses from the spreadsheet. And using automation tools, you can refer fields from your spreadsheet. For example, in the subject, I use row values from column B. In this instance, it will be first name. And in the email body, I use last name. So this is just an example. So you can see the email was sent from support@crowdedlab.com. However, I don't actually have this email. So with Email It, you can have nicely looking email senders. And you can see first name and last name are actually inside the email. Okay, so getting back to the Email It, we can actually see all of the emails sent. We can see some metrics about the volume of sent emails. And here is the part where you can connect your own custom domain. If you own a particular domain, it is very easy to add few lines of configuration, few records using your domain service provider. So you can validate the ownership. And then you will be able to send emails from emails like this one. For example, support@crowdedlab.com. Okay, in the events section, you can see event types like email delivery sent, and you can react on your events using automation tools like Zapier, Active Pieces, using webhooks. So if we take a look at the documentation, actually your automation tool can receive messages like this one, email delivery sent, and do whatever you need with that information. So there are several event types: email delivery, email opens, or email clicks. So you actually can count the effectiveness of your marketing campaign, for example. And at this section of credentials, here you actually create credentials for SMTP. It will be useful when you're using tools like Active Pieces or Zapier. So you can use SMTP built-in block. It is very easy to configure. Using API credentials, you still can use tools like Zapier or Make. However, it is more suitable for developers to integrate with Email It application. What else do we have here? The Discord I have showed you already. They are pretty responsive. For example, I was asking about how to configure reply to and collect replies. So I have got suggestions how to do that. And if you take a look at the documentation, actually you get here all you need. For example, how to integrate using API or SMTP to send emails. So yeah, I think that's it. It is pretty straightforward to use this tool to start sending emails. I actually really like EmailIt, and I think it is kind of underdog at the moment on AppSumo. It is starting to get attention and actually starting getting positive reviews more and more. So it start trending, but I think it is not getting attention that it is needed, because it is really nice tool which delivers on its promise to be a tool with which you can easily integrate and send emails easily. Okay, so that's it for my EmailIt review. Please check the link in the description to get this tool. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.